रानी और आज मैं आपको म्यूजियम की सैर कराऊंगी जहां मुख्तलिफ मुल्कों की पुतलियां सजाई गई हैं। आज मैं आपको यूरोप की पुतलियां दिखाऊंगी। क्या आप जानते हैं यूरोप कहाँ है?
The puppets displayed in this window were acquired from Euro Theater Bonn, Germany. Developed in 1990 Germany, Poppen Theater by Felicia van Dijk Beth and Guido van Deth, Netherlands. Developed in 1960 Netherlands. Denida, Netherlands. Developed in 1991 Netherlands. An Egyptian national puppet developed in 1990 Egypt. Puppetry as an art form is believed to have its roots in ancient cultures, more than 3,000 years old. The earliest puppets probably originated in Egypt, where ivory and clay puppets have been discovered in tombs. Ceremonial puppets were also used in several pre-Columbian Native American cultures. In medieval Italy, marionettes were used in production of morality plays by Christian Church. The famous comic puppet tradition of Commedia dell'arte evolved in the face of censorship by Church. Later, Britain's tradition of Punch and Judy shows, as well as German version featuring Casparelle and Grete, grew out of the Commedia dell'arte.